To monitor, manage, and remotely support your client's devices with SuperOps, you'll first need to install the SuperOps Agent. In this video, we'll show you how to deploy the SuperOps Agent to your client's devices so you can start monitoring and managing them right away. From Assets, head to Endpoints and click Download Agent. Select the client and site you're deploying to. Selecting the correct client and site ensures every device is automatically associated with the right client from day one. Next, choose the deployment method that best fits your client's environment. Use the MDM installer to enroll Apple or Android devices. For an automated deployments on Windows, Mac, or Linux, use the silent installer and copy the generated command for your operating system. Need to deploy across multiple endpoints? Use bulk deployment with group policy or Microsoft Intune to roll out the agent across multiple devices at once. And for a straightforward manual installation, open Downloader to download the Windows, Mac, or Linux installer, or copy its direct URL. Once installed, the device appears in SuperOps, ready to monitor, automate, and troubleshoot remotely. And that's it. Why your client's devices are now ready for centralized management in SuperOps so you can onboard new customers in minutes, manage every endpoint from a single console, and start delivering proactive support right away.